This video tutorial I will explain AWS S3 Pre-Signed URLs. AWS S3 Pre-Signed URLs allow you to share files securely from your S3 bucket for a limited time without making the bucket public. Imagine you have a private file in the S3 bucket that you want to share with someone. Instead of making the entire bucket public, you can generate a special link which is nothing but pre-signed URL that lets them access the file for the specific time. Why we have to use S3 pre-signed URLs? Only people with the URL can access the file. You can control how long the link is valid. You can keep your data private. You can allow users to upload or download files. Now we will see how do S3 pre-signed URLs work. The file owner generate a pre-signed URL using AWS SDK or CLI. The file owner send the URL to the person who needs to access. The user clicks the link and can download or upload the file before the URL expires. How to create a pre-signed URL? Here you can see AWS CLI command. Using that, we can create a pre-signed URL. AWS S3 pre-sign, then the file name, then expires in how much seconds. This command will create the URL which is valid for 1 hour, which is nothing but 3600 seconds. Here you can see the example of pre-signed URL. The URL contains special security parameters that expire after the set time. After expiry, the URL won't work anymore. Users cannot see other files in your bucket. You need a right IAM permission to generate URLs. You can also allow users to upload files securely. Now we will see using AWS console how to create a pre-signed URL. Here you can see the S3 bucket. Click on this and it has one file which is image file. Click on this. Click on object actions. Click on share with pre-signed URL. Here you have to give how much time the URL is valid. So after this particular time, the URL will expire. You can choose minutes or hours. I choose minutes, 2 minutes. Click on create pre-signed URL. Copy this pre-signed URL. I am opening an incognito window. Paste the URL. Click on enter. And here you can see the URL is working. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.